recording.
It's actually supposed to be a smaller step, so let me do that one with a, while I'm walking. Maybe it's easier if I walk when I throw it, you know, less velocity on it.
Oh yeah. That's a little short though. You gotta get more. It's like messaging me a paragraph in the middle of it.
Not really. Maybe that one.
Oh, that's a beauty. That's a beauty, right? Yeah, that's a beauty.
That works.
Yeah, that's good.
It's good enough. If it, dude, if any, this one.
Do the smoke? Yeah.
Okay.
As the light hits you, say it, and then we game.
Oh, that one missed. Okay. Say it in game.
Yeah.
Okay, come here. Look at the chimney. Just look up at this wire. As soon as the light hits you, you let go and bring your mouse up a tiny bit. Then it'll land under bomb. And smoke out the fucking hopper. Here's the flash for hell. Line yourself up with this little fucking piece of shit dot or line. And you run. Okay. Oh, you want me to do this one too?
Yeah.
In a clutch situation, if you need to smoke out Z, come here, line up this brown line with the ladder, run. Oh, that was fucking terrible. That was fucking terrible again. There we go. You need to run out. If you come here and you see where the ramp changes in from the slope to straight up, if you just come here, smoke like that. It'll smoke out that lane for inner. Do that one again.
Upper smoke.
Oh, just here? I just throw it like that, dude. I throw a lot. Okay, this just flashes the guy coming out mid. If he's picking T-Con right here, he's gonna get blind. If he's out mid picking Ivy, he's gonna get blind, or if they're just doing an outer rush, he's gonna get blind. You just throw it like that, you know? And then you don't get blind. Like, you can run out, it covers you, the other train covers you. Okay, so you can be posted here with an op or an auto. Take one shot, and then you're posted on ladder.
Show where you're about. I don't know. New map, though.
Yeah, it's new, so.
Do you jump on that as
What? As a T? Yeah, yeah. Yeah, that's another thing you can do that's fucking gross.
Oh wow, that's retarded. Okay.
Yeah. So I mean, if you could figure out a smoke that lands like directly in the corner, it would cover you when you jump up and you just butt fuck this kid. Or like, if you know they're coming Ivy and you're sitting in this spot's relatively common. If you throw this, they're fucked. You know. They're blind looking at you. They're fucked. Yeah. This is like pop. I just come here. I line up this arch right here with this black arch right there, and I just aim like right to the inside of this one, and it goes straight in. Same thing if you needed a smoke for your friend or whatever. Like, perfect. I believe it's 2 headshots as a kill here. Yeah.
Stay now.
So this is to make sure the ladder guy doesn't get pushed. Should I throw this?
I'm throwing a flashbang.
Just like that, just jump across. And like, as you're coming down, duck again. So it's like,
Make sure they know you're jumping across the hot spot when you throw it.
yeah, jump across the spot so you don't get picked.
Throwing a flashbang.
And then just move your mouse
Throwing
up.
a flashbang.
Or on bomb, on the front of bomb, you can op people from here. Which is actually
When I drop
fucking,
a bomb.
which is, or right here, like either one, or on the ground. But it's fucking nuts, man. Like, as long as you hold ladder flank, you can pretty much win the round on your own.